Okay, now let's find the slope between each one of these points. So first off, let's start with C and D. Notice there's C and D are right there. And I'm going to kind of do it the easy way. You can go over like 1, 2, 3. And then it went down what? 1, 2, 3, negative 3. Now if you remember, slope is the rise over run. It went down, so it's going to be like a negative 3 over 3. Only that will reduce to a 1. You can barely see that 1 on there. Alright? So, let's look at BC. Well, first off, you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can count 3 up. Well, that means it went over 6, but it went up 3 and over 6. So my slope is 3 over 6, except you can never write 3 over 6 because it will reduce. What will both go into 3 and 6? Makes it 1/2. All right? So now let's try E and F. Ooh, Costoni. It's just straight up and down. That's right. I didn't move any left or right, so it's 0 left or right, but we have a up and down of what? Like minus 13. I just kind of went from E to F. If I'd have gone from F to E, it would have been a positive 13. Will that make a difference? No, because I'll tell you why. Because you have negative 13 over 0, and when you divide by 0, it's not possible, so I'd say no slope. And even if I had a positive 13 divided by 0, the answer still would have been no slope. Oh, okay. Can't divide by 0, so it's no slope. That's straight up and down, vertical one. So let's try A to E. Well, first off, it goes over 12 if you were to count them, and up 1. So that means my slope is just what? 1/12. Oh, and that one won't reduce, so I'm fine with 1/12. Let's try B and D. Well, wait a minute here. It goes over like what? 9? But doesn't go up and down any. So how would I write that? Well, remember it's rise over run. It went up and down 0 and over 9, so it's just 0/9. Or just a 0. Oh, okay. And now let's try B to F. Well, it went over 11 and it went down negative 6. So the slope would be negative 6 over 11. Oh, I think I get it. We just count the up and downs. The downs are negative, the ups are positive. And if we're always going over, we start from the furthest one left, going over, our run's always a positive value there. We can just count them. Oh man, that's really, really easy. There are other ways, and we'll show you another way here in a second.